Hello everyone. If you observe that there is one more problem with our logging that we need to address. So here if you go to the handlers and we are still using HTTP errors and HTTP not found for the server errors. For the page not found we are using the HTTP not found. For the server error we are using the HTTP dot error, and for client error we are using the HTTP dot error method, but we are not using error log. So in order to use the error log in handlers and info log, in order to use the info log and error log in handlers.go, we can use the concept of dependency injection. So mostly web applications will have multiple dependencies that their handlers need to access, such as database connection pools, centralized error handlers, and template caches. And there are few different ways to do dependency injection. The simplest being to just put the dependencies in global variables, but in general it is a good practice to inject dependencies into our handlers, and it makes our code more explicit and less error prone. So there is a clean way to inject dependencies is to put them into a custom application struct. So I'm going to create a struct here outside the main function. Type application struct error log dot logger and info log dot logger. So in order to use this struct, we have to initialize the struct in main. So I'm going to initialize the struct. We'll do here. So application error log and info log. Type application. So I initialized a new instance of application containing dependencies here, and then in handlers.go file update our handler functions so that they become methods against the application struct. So I'm going to update this struct application for each and every handler. I have 3 handlers functions: show snippet and create snippet and home. Okay, again I have to give in the routes as well in order to get it worked. App.snow show snippet, app.home, app.create snippet. Now we can access this error log and info log in handlers. Okay, so I'm going to change the server error like app dot error log dot println error. And I'm going to give below as well. Okay, I think I don't have any problems here, so I'm going to execute the program. Okay, so port number is already used, so I'm going to kill the port. So kill F1 9 1 2 9537 9537. Okay, we will restart the server. Okay, server is started, and we will check if the web application is working or not. Yes, it's working. So, but we have to check the error log is working or not by using dependency injection. Okay, so I'm going to create an error deliberately. So I'm going to rename the tmpl. So I'm just created the .p. Okay, so I'm going to restart the server, and I'm refreshing the page. Okay, if you observe here, we got an error log in a server side. Error handlers.go open ui.html home.page.tmpl, no such file directory. Okay, so this way we can use the dependency injection. So if you come from the background of the Spring MVC, in Spring we use the annotations. So it's like it's so easy to understand the dependency injection. If you have any idea in Spring MVC, if you have an idea in Spring MVC background. Okay, I hope you understand. So thank you. Bye bye.